Have you ever wondered how one of the most common substances on Earth, water, can behave in some of the most extraordinary ways under certain conditions? Today, we dive into a fascinating experiment that will reveal some of the peculiar properties of water. Our experiment begins with a glass of water, a piece of string, and a little bit of salt. The first step involves filling the glass 3/4 full with water. The water source doesn't matter. You could use tap water or bottled water, anything will do. Next, tie one end of the string around a small object. A paperclip or a small washer works well. Then, dip the tied object into the water so that it's completely submerged. Leave the other end of the string hanging over the side of the glass. This creates a wick for the water to travel up. Now, sprinkle a pinch of salt onto the string that's hanging over the side of the glass. The salt acts as a catalyst, increasing the rate at which water can travel up the string. After a few minutes, you'll notice something amazing. The water begins to defy gravity and climb up the string, seemingly on its own. The science behind this is a process called capillary action. Capillary action is a phenomenon where liquid spontaneously rises in a narrow space, such as a tube of cloth or a porous material, due to the forces of surface tension and adhesion. This same process is responsible for helping water travel from the roots of a plant to its leaves. After about half an hour, you'll see that the water has traveled a considerable distance up the string. You can even measure the height reached by the water and compare it to the initial water level in the glass. The difference is the proof of capillary action at work. To summarize, this experiment demonstrates the phenomenon of capillary action, a process where water defies gravity and climbs up a narrow space due to the forces of surface tension and adhesion. The results are visually compelling, with water ascending the string against the pull of gravity, providing a tangible demonstration of this fascinating scientific principle. This experiment is an excellent reminder that even the most mundane and everyday substances, like water and salt, can behave in extraordinary ways under the right conditions. It also shows that science isn't just something that happens in a lab, but it's all around us, in every drop of water, every grain of salt, and every string that we come across. So the next time you see a glass of water, remember the remarkable properties it holds and the incredible scientific principles it can demonstrate. After all, the world is full of wonder, and sometimes that wonder is right in front of us, waiting to be discovered.